In the world of manufacturing, where every penny counts, understanding true production costs is not just important, it's critical. Yet, many organizations find themselves in a frustrating bind, struggling to gain the visibility they need into their costs. Why? Because they lack proper access to data and analytics capabilities that could unlock the insights they require. It's a paradox, the information is there, but getting to it feels like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Let's break it down. Modern manufacturing operations are like intricate webs, generating massive amounts of data from various systems and processes. Picture a typical manufacturer. They have an ERP system that handles financial transactions and inventory, production systems tracking labor hours and machine type, quality management systems logging defects and rework, maintenance systems recording equipment downtime, procurement systems managing material costs, and so on. Each of these systems holds vital pieces of the cost puzzle, but piecing them together, that's where the real challenge lies. Imagine this scenario. A manufacturer notices that the margins on a key product line are slipping. Alarm bells start ringing, but when the finance team dives into the ERP system, they see higher overall costs without any clear explanation. They can't connect the dots to operational data that might show recent changes in production processes or quality metrics that indicate increased defect rates. They might even have maintenance records documenting more frequent equipment breakdowns. But here's the kicker, without the ability to bring all these different data sources together, they're left in the dark. Is the cost increase due to rising material prices, labor inefficiencies, quality issues? The inability to connect these dots leaves organizations floundering. And it gets worse. Many manufacturers still rely on manual data collection and entry processes, which can lead to all sorts of delays, errors, and inconsistencies. Different shifts may categorize downtime events in various ways, making it nearly impossible to accurately track the cost impact of production interruptions. And if different plants or departments record material usage differently, it can mask crucial cost drivers, making meaningful comparisons a Herculean task. Even when organizations manage to access their data, they often face another hurdle, a lack of analytical capability. Many still lean on spreadsheets for cost analysis, which simply can't keep up with today's complex manufacturing environment. These manual tools are limited in their ability to handle the sheer volume and variety of data needed for comprehensive cost analysis. They don't provide the real-time insights that are crucial for effective decision-making. To make matters worse, there's a skills gap that compounds this technology challenge. Effective manufacturing cost analysis requires a unique blend of skills: statistical analysis, process engineering knowledge, cost accounting expertise, and technology implementation experience. It's rare for organizations to have personnel who possess all these skills, and many struggle to build teams that can collaborate effectively across these different domains. This capability gap manifests in various ways. A manufacturer might have extensive data on machine performance and maintenance activities, but without the analytical know-how to model how different maintenance strategies impact total cost of ownership, that data becomes underutilized. They might collect detailed quality data, but fail to quantify the true cost of quality issues across their operations. Without strong analytics capabilities, organizations often end up focusing on easily measured direct costs while overlooking significant indirect and opportunity costs. So, what does this mean for decision making and profitability? It means that the combination of limited data access and weak analytics capabilities severely hampers an organization's ability to make informed decisions. Cost variances often go unnoticed until weeks or months after they occur, making timely corrective action nearly impossible. Without detailed cost visibility, organizations struggle to price their products accurately, evaluate make versus buy decisions, or identify the most profitable improvement opportunities. These limitations can lead to serious strategic missteps. A manufacturer might continue to accept low-margin orders, mistakenly believing they're profitable based on standard costs, while actual production data would reveal they're losing money. They might invest in automation to cut labor costs, only to miss larger opportunities to reduce material waste or improve equipment effectiveness. Without good cost data and analytics, organizations often chase after low-hanging fruit, focusing on obvious but less impactful improvement opportunities while overlooking more significant sources of value. So, how do we address these challenges? It requires a comprehensive approach that combines technology, process improvements, and organizational change. The first step is implementing an integrated data strategy that brings together information from different systems into a unified view of manufacturing costs. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to toss out your existing systems. Instead, it's about creating a data architecture that allows information to flow seamlessly between systems and be analyzed holistically. Modern business intelligence tools can play a crucial role in this transformation. These platforms can automatically collect data from multiple sources, apply consistent business rules for cost allocation, and provide real-time visibility through interactive dashboards and reports. More importantly, they can enable predictive analytics that help organizations anticipate and prevent cost issues before they even occur. But let's be clear, technology alone isn't the silver bullet. Organizations must also develop their internal capabilities through training existing staff, hiring new talent, and partnering with external experts. This often involves creating centers of excellence that combine business, technical, and analytical skills to drive continuous improvement in cost management practices. When it comes to implementation, a phased approach is typically the most effective. Start by establishing a solid foundation of clean, consistent data, and basic analytical capabilities. This might mean standardizing cost categories across the organization, implementing automated data collection wherever possible, and developing standard reports for key cost metrics. Once that foundation is in place, organizations can begin building more sophisticated capabilities like predictive maintenance analytics, detailed cost modeling, and advanced profitability analysis. Throughout this process, it's crucial to maintain a strong focus on business value, prioritizing initiatives that deliver tangible benefits in terms of cost reduction or margin improvement. Change management is another vital piece of the puzzle. Users throughout the organization need to understand not just how to use new tools and processes, but why these changes matter. Regular communication, training, and support are essential for driving adoption and ensuring that these investments yield sustained value. Measuring success is equally important. Organizations should establish clear metrics to track the success of their data and analytics initiatives. Key performance indicators might include the time required to generate cost reports, the accuracy of cost prediction, the speed of variance identification, and the return on analytics investments. But don't forget about the softer measures, such as user adoption rates and confidence in cost data. Sustainability requires ongoing attention to data quality, system maintenance, and capability development. Organizations should regularly review their data and analytics capabilities, looking for opportunities to incorporate new technologies, address emerging challenges, and expand the scope of their cost analysis. In conclusion, poor access to data and analytics capabilities represents a significant barrier to understanding and controlling manufacturing costs. However, organizations that take a structured approach to addressing these challenges can dramatically improve their cost visibility and control. It requires commitment from leadership, investment in the right tools and skills, and a culture that values data-driven decision-making. The benefits of improved cost understanding through better data and analytics access typically far outweigh the investment required. Organizations that make this transformation gain the ability to make better pricing decisions, identify and address efficiency issues more quickly, and allocate resources more effectively. In today's competitive manufacturing environment, these capabilities aren't just nice to have, they're essential for long-term success. As we move further into the era of Industry 4.0, where technology is evolving at lightning speed and competitive pressures are mounting, the importance of strong data and analytics capabilities will only grow. Organizations that invest in these capabilities now will be better positioned to adapt to changing market conditions and maintain their competitive advantage in the years ahead. So, let's embrace the challenge, harness the power of data, and drive our manufacturing operations toward a more profitable and efficient future.